Hi, I'm Navjeet Singh, and you are watching BI on Tips, where we simplify business intelligence step by step. In the previous video, we talked about how Power BI is used in real jobs. Now, let's clear the biggest beginner confusion, that is the difference between Power BI Service and Power BI Desktop. People often ask, do I need to pay for Power BI? Which one should I learn? Or can I use without a company account? So in this video, I'll explain the difference clearly and without technical jargon. So let's start. Power BI has two main parts, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. Power BI Desktop is a development tool. This is where all the reports or dashboards are built. Power BI Service, on the other hand, is an online platform. It is used for sharing, collaboration, and automation. Both are part of Power BI, but both serve very different purposes. Power BI Desktop is a free application that you install on your machine. So Power BI Desktop is used to connect different data sources like Excel sheets or databases or text files, and you can connect and then create models or relationship here in the model view, and then you can use this table view or the data view to understand your data, and then finally you can use this report view to create visuals or dashboards, and you can use Power Query to clean and transform your data as per your business need. And the good news is you don't need to pay or sign in to use Power BI Desktop. Power BI Service is a cloud part of Power BI, and you need to access Power BI Service through a browser, and you will need a work or school account to access Power BI Service. So I'll just walk you through how the Power BI service looks like. Here on your screen, you can see this is the landing page of Power BI service. So once you log into app.powerbi.com, you will land here. And on the left side, you will see different options, and one of the options is workspaces. So basically, here you will see all the workspaces listed to which you have access. Right now, I just have only one default workspace, which is my workspace. So if you click on any of the workspace, you will be able to see different reports, dashboards, and all other items that are available in your workspace. And if you open any of the reports, you will be able to see all the visual charts and different pages in that report. Like for example, page 1, 2, 3 in this report, and also uh, one of the main purpose of Power BI service is to share and collaborate with other users. So if you click on this share icon, you can type in the name of all the users or groups to which you want to share this report. And another important aspect of publishing the reports on Power BI service is to schedule the refresh so that you can get the data in the reports up to date. If you click on this schedule refresh button, and if you come down here to refresh, you can set the refresh here like according to the business requirement, like for example daily and at what time. So Power BI service basically needs a work or school account, and Power BI desktop is free and you don't need to sign in. You can use Power BI desktop to learn, create projects, and even build a portfolio without paying anything. So if you're just starting out Power BI, you should 100% focus on Power BI desktop. So Power BI desktop is where the core skills are developed, like data understanding, data modeling, visualization, and the tax fundamentals. Once you understand Power BI desktop clearly, moving to Power BI service becomes much easier. Moving to Power BI service without understanding Power BI desktop creates confusion. Now we have understood what Power BI service is and what Power BI desktop is. So in summary, Power BI desktop is for building dashboards and Power BI service is for sharing and managing them online. On this channel, I focus on explaining Power BI and related concepts clearly and without unnecessary complexity. And we start with Power BI desktop and move on to Power BI service and automation concepts when it actually makes sense. If you like this video, please subscribe, it helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.